Experiencing Ethernet problems with your T-Mobile home internet? Let's troubleshoot the key components: LAN ports, DHCP, and IP settings. First, check your LAN port. Ensure your Ethernet cable, rated Cat5e or higher, is securely connected to both your device and the T-Mobile gateway. Try a different cable or port to rule out hardware issues. Next, understand DHCP. Your gateway acts as a DHCP server, automatically assigning IP addresses to connected devices. If DHCP fails, your device won't obtain an IP address, leading to connection errors. Restarting your gateway forces a DHCP renewal. Finally, verify your IP settings. Incorrect configurations, such as IP address, subnet mask, or DNS servers, can block connectivity. Access your gateway's web interface, usually at 192.168.12.1, to review and modify these settings. Remember to power cycle your gateway for 30 seconds as a first troubleshooting step. This can resolve many Ethernet connectivity issues. If basic checks don't work, consider advanced troubleshooting. Firmware updates often resolve Ethernet bugs. Check for the latest firmware versions, such as 3.2.1 for Arcadian KVD21, via the T-Mobile app or Gateway Admin panel. Static IP addresses can bypass DHCP issues, but require careful configuration to avoid conflicts. For rural users, ensure strong cellular signal, as weak signals can trigger Ethernet failover modes. Trends indicate a shift to Wi-Fi 6E, but Ethernet remains vital for stable connections. T-Mobile plans to integrate AI diagnostics for automatic Ethernet issue resolution. Contact T-Mobile support for persistent problems to avoid warranty issues.